if it isn't Puss in Boots himself. In the flesh. Can I get your autograph? Been following you for a long time.
Puss in Boots laughs in the face of death. Bounty hunter.
Everyone thinks they'll be the one to defeat me. But no one's escaped me yet.
All right, let's get it over with. Fear me if you dare.
Slow, sloppy, sad.
You're not living up to the legend, Gato.
I just love the smell of fear.
What's the matter? Lives flashing before your eyes? Pick it up. Corre, corre, gatito. Fear. I do love the smell of fear. It's intoxicating. Sorry to crush the party with your past lives. It's frivolous. And because Puss in Boots laughs in the face of death, right? You're death. And I don't mean it metaphorically or rhetorically or poetically or theoretically. I'm death. Straight up. I find the very idea of 9 lives absurd. And you didn't value any of them.
Puss in Boots, make the way!
Go ahead, run for it. Makes it more fun for me.
Puss, we're here! Maybe one life is enough.
But I think we've reached the end now, you and I. Are you gonna fight? Pick it up.
Pick it up!
What's the matter? Lives flashing before your eyes?
No, just one. I'm done running.
This is gonna be fun. Bien. You really gotta stop losing that.
Pick it up. I know I can never defeat you, Lobo, but I will never stop fighting for this life.
You're ruining this for me. I came here for an arrogant little legend who thought he was immortal.
But I don't see him anymore. Live your life, Puss in Boots. Live it well. You know we will meet again, right?
Sí, hasta la muerte.
When you said death was after you, I thought you were just being melodramatic.